Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Salesforce. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send form submissions directly into your Salesforce CRM, eliminating manual data entry and ensuring your leads and contacts are captured instantly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are stored and managed. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you have two options. If you already have a form that you want to integrate with Salesforce, simply select that existing form and click the Edit Form button. This will open your form in the builder. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, click Create Form to build a new one from scratch. Either way, you'll end up in the form builder where you can customize your fields and settings. Once you're in the form builder, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Settings tab. This is where you can access all the configuration options for your form, including integrations, notifications, and form behavior settings. Within the settings area, select Integrations. This section houses all the third-party tools and services that Jotform can connect with, making it the hub for automating your workflows and data transfers. Now, in the Integrations menu, use the search bar to find Salesforce. Once it appears in the results, click on it to begin the setup process. This is where you'll establish the connection between your form and your Salesforce account. A setup window will appear. In the drop-down menu, click Production, and then click Continue. Selecting Production ensures that your form data flows into your live Salesforce environment, not a sandbox or test instance. Next, you'll need to connect your Salesforce account. Jotform will prompt you to authorize the connection by logging into Salesforce. Go ahead and enter your Salesforce credentials and grant Jotform the necessary permissions. This step is essential because it allows Jotform to securely send data to your CRM. Once your account is connected, you'll be asked to choose the Salesforce object you want to map. This could be a lead, a contact, or even a custom object if you've created one in Salesforce. Select the object that best fits the type of data your form is collecting. For example, if you're capturing potential customers, you typically choose lead. After selecting your object, click Create Record. This action opens the field mapping interface where you'll match each Salesforce field to the corresponding field in your Jotform. For instance, you might map lead first name to the first name field in your form and lead email to the email field. Make sure all required Salesforce fields are mapped, or the integration won't work properly. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click Save Integration. At this stage, you'll also see optional settings like Update an Existing Record, which lets you modify existing Salesforce entries instead of creating duplicates, and attachments, which allows file uploads from your form to be stored in Salesforce. Enable these if they suit your needs, then click Finish to complete the setup. And that's it. Your Jotform is now fully integrated with Salesforce, and every submission will automatically create or update records in your CRM. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.